शाहिद। Hi Rashmika, how are you? अब जितने फोटो लेने हैं, जितने रील बनाने हैं, just one hi to them and then I'll make you all sit down. But this has been a beautiful audience. बहुत देर से भी इंतजार कर रहे थे. मॉल की बहुत सेल हो रही है, सब इंतजार में बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं. Just one word to everybody. और शुरुआत करेंगे क्योंकि शाहिद मेरे साथ नहीं है. Can I have 2 more mics? Wonderful. सबको mics दे दो. So we'll start with whoever. There's no protocol. Rashmika, you're in the middle. पहले आप hello बोल लो. Just say hi to them and just say hi.
Hi guys. All good? Yeah. You guys are looking forward to what we've got in plan for you. Hi. Hi guys. Big hugs. I hope you enjoy the evening.
Kriti.
Hello everyone. Are you guys excited for Cocktail 2? It's coming on the 19th of June and we're really happy to be here with you all. जब तक आप लोग हो तब तक हम लोग हैं. So let's go on with this musical evening with a round of a hoot.
और the man in the moment, जो बहुत स्माइल कर रहे हैं भी, शाहिद for your legions of fans.
What's up, guys? What's up? How are you all doing? It's amazing to be here. Thank you all, each and every one of you all for coming here and sharing this moment with us. जैसा कृति ने कहा, 19th June, the film's coming out. We're very excited to be here. हम काफी time बिताने वाले हैं. We're going to play a lot of music, have a lot of fun. And love you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Why don't you all take a seat? Why don't you all take a seat? Actually, you all can go, yeah, in front. You all can walk through here. बहुत मजा आया. अब आवाज आ रही है. म्यूजिकल ब्यूटीफुल फेस्टिवल कर रहे हैं. And the whole point is, जब भी कोई फिल्म आती है सबसे पहले गाने ही आपको अंदर खींचे चले आते हैं. तो आज गानों के साथ ही ऐसे होगा. और मैं चाहता हूँ सब #cocktail2 डालेंगे. जो भी रील बनेगी #cocktail2 या माशूक.
Yeah, I want to do it with all the kids who
Come, come, आ जाओ, आ
Let's
जाओ.
go. Let's go.
You all have done so much beautiful.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're so good. You're so good. What's up? What's up? Hello. 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 Hi. How are you? मुझे पता है आप second time मिल रहे हो. आ जाओ. अभी हमें ना ये स्टेप सिखा दो. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Yeah, everybody's here? Awesome. What's the step? You want to teach me the step once, buddy? आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ. हाँ, कैसे होता है? दिखा दे मेरे को एक बार. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then? No, guys. You didn't do the main thing. This is a big problem. You have to do the step with the hands in your pocket, guys. Yeah, that's the swag. Put it there. Just act like, yeah, perfect. So the whole step happens with the hands in the pocket.
Little bit this side, boys. All for either. Thank you.
ठीक है?
Rashmika, Kriti.
Ladies, you got your,
थोड़ा आगे.
you got your pockets. Okay.
Kriti,
Okay.
आगे.
Okay. Everybody's ready? Should we do it? Ladies, are you doing the step? I think their outfits are not allowing them to do the step. So yeah, do halka. Okay, let's do the step, guys. Let's go. Let's have the music. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
That was fantastic.
हाँ, did they do anything? इन्होंने कुछ किया? कुछ नहीं किया ना? हम फिर से करेंगे लड़कियों के साथ, है ना? Come on, ladies. They didn't get to see you do anything. Come on. No, yeah.
You think you can run away from our
Yeah,
music
no,
festival
you have to
without
be-
dancing?
You know, I have to say, I found my alley, mini alley. Isn't she like alley? Long hair, vibe. Yeah? Okay, come. The girls are going to do it together. Come here.
Huh?
अरे डीजे वाले भैया थोड़ा हुक से एक बार और करो स्टेप, बिकॉज कृति मैम और रश्मिका मैम को लोगों ने ठीक से देखा नहीं है. आप लोग प्लीज आगे करो, मैं पीछे कर रहा हूँ. म्यूजिक.
I'm recording out directly with the Meta glasses. Say hello. Say hello.
म्यूजिक दे दो भैया. भैया म्यूजिक दे दो. थैंक यू.
अरे यार, ये बार ब्लू कलर की बारिश मत गिरा होना यार.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ना इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीत गया. सब ऑल दी ब्लू थिंग्स आर कमिंग. Guys, big round of applause for these kids, guys. Come on, make some noise for the kids. Make some noise. Come on.
You're also singing this perfectly. So
I'm singing also. Yes. I didn't know how talented I am.
you're exactly.
नहीं यार, इतना नहीं आता.
हमने नहीं गाया, but you were actually proper सुर में.
वो अरिजीत